Hey happy homemakers, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is something that has been truly needing to be done for a really long time, and that is to declutter and organize my closet. I don't know about you guys, but I am someone who will wear something and then I don't hang it back up in the closet. I throw it on the floor or on my desk or my dresser, like just anywhere but back where it goes. And so I have a really hard time organizing. And also I hang on to things. I hang on to things that I probably have had since high school. I hate to get rid of things. And so my solution to the problem is Poshmark. Today's video is sponsored by them. I think it is a great app because it's really easy to use. All you do is download it to your phone and you can immediately start selling your clothes. The most convenient thing to me as a mom of 2 little babies is that you can print out the shipping label right then and there and either just drop your parcel off at the post office or have it picked up at your house, which I cannot tell you how convenient that service makes it. I don't have to go through the process of figuring out how to ship this, get to the post office, wait in line. It's all taken care of for me. So I will have the Poshmark app linked down below because not only is a great motivator to actually clear out all the clothes that you don't wear anymore, but you'll also make a little bit of money on the side, so why not? And in addition to decluttering and organizing my closet, I'm going to be sharing some tips that help me know what to get rid of and what to hold on to, as well as working with the clothes that you already have. So if you guys want to shop my closet, my username on Poshmark is @JustineMarie55, and I've listed all of the clothes. They're still really good clothes, and they're just ones that I didn't find myself wearing anymore. So anyways, I will have my username link down below. If you guys already have a Poshmark, comment your closet name down below, and I would be happy to start following you, and that way anyone else who has one can also find you as well. I hope this video motivates you guys to do the same to your closet, and let's roll the footage. So my first tip to get motivated is to make yourself a cup of coffee while you work. And lately I've been using the Torani pumpkin pie syrup. It is so good and it really helps me just get motivated to get stuff done. The first thing I did was just empty out my very messy closet almost completely. I just find that having a clean space to work with really helps me when I start putting everything back and organizing it later on. I do have a lot of dresses in the back, but I'm pretty sure that I will be keeping all of those, so I just kind of left them back there, and that's where I want them anyways. And then next, with all the clothes I just pulled out of my closet, I'm going to separate everything into 4 piles: what I want to keep, what I want to sell, and what I want to donate. And the last pile is any out of season clothes like shorts and tank tops because it's winter right now. Just put them all together in a pile and put them away. And that's my second tip, is just to have what clothes that you will wear for the season. It's really interesting because not only does it free up a lot of space and help you keep things more organized, but also whenever I look into my closet, I don't feel like I have less clothes. I feel like I have more, and I can pick out exactly what I want to wear more easily when I feel like everything in my closet is stuff that I feel good in and stuff that I can wear right now. It's a little bit more of a minimalistic approach, but I find that it really helps. So if you guys have never tried that, I really encourage you to just leave the clothes in your closet that you will wear. And the nice thing about having Poshmark is that it really motivates you to part with the things that you would otherwise keep because you know you will get a little bit of money from them. So I find it a little bit easier to let go of the clothes that I still don't wear, but that for some reason I want to hold on to. Next, I'm going to do the same thing to the clothes in my drawers, which are pretty messy right now. I'm just going to pull everything out to give me a blank slate to start with and separate them into the same piles. A good rule of thumb that I like to think of in regards to what to keep and what to get rid of is to look at each set of clothes and think, have I worn this in the last year? If it's a seasonal piece, then that's obviously a little bit different. Like a heavy winter coat I haven't worn for a year just because it's not cold enough yet. But if it's like a short sleeve shirt or something that you could wear all year round, if I have not worn it in the past 12 months, I just get rid of it no matter how much I like it. Because obviously at this point, it's just taking up space in my closet. After that, I just put the clothes back in my drawer, organizing them as I went. So I put all of my workout clothes in one pile, which I don't have very many because I don't work out very often. And then all my jeans in one pile. And I try to just be minimalistic with my jeans as well. I just have 2 pairs of black pants. I just try to keep 3 pairs of jeans, light, dark, and ripped pair. I feel like too many choices just overwhelms me and I don't know what to wear. And then the last pile was just the summer clothes, tank tops and stuff that I don't need at this time of the year. In the top drawer, I organized all my shirts, doing 3 piles of them as well. In the first pile, I have short sleeve shirts and also tank tops that will still work under cardigans. And then the second pile is my long sleeve t-shirt. And then the third pile is more like sweatshirt or sweater fabric type shirts. After that, it was time to reorganize everything in my closet, and at the far side of the closet I do have my dresses and skirts because those are things that I don't reach for as much and it's a little bit harder to access that portion of the closet. After that, I just organized it by hanging up all my coats on the right side, and then my jackets, and then all of my sweaters, button-up shirts, long sleeve button-up shirts, 3/4 length shirts, and then the last section was for my short sleeve shirts. And it's so nice to see all that space in between the hangers. It was just so cluttered before and now it looks really nice and organized. After that, there were some clothes that I wasn't sure about if I wanted to get rid of or not, so I took them out of the get rid of pile and tried them on. That's another way, like make sure you try things on in a full length mirror if you're not sure about them. One sweater I did decide to keep and the other one I remembered why I didn't want it because it just didn't look right on me, but it's a really cute sweater. Anyways, after that I separated all of my get rid of clothes into categories: shorts, dresses, and shirts. And then I just opened my app and it's really so simple. All you do is take a picture of the item and upload it to the Poshmark app, and then just type a title, a quick description, and fill out the price, size, and that kind of a thing. It literally takes like a minute and you can post it and start selling it. And the first day I did all of this, I made 1 sale, which is pretty cool. I cannot tell you guys how nice it feels to have my drawers all neat and my closet all organized, and when I look into it, I see clothes that I like and want to put on and feel good in. It's just so much. It's so nice. Like, why don't I keep everything clean? Because I love it so much. I just get so busy. Anyways, it's an ongoing struggle for me. I hope that I gave you guys some motivation to do the same in your closets. Again, my Poshmark name is @JustineMarie55. I want to know yours as well, and I will follow you if you comment it down below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you really enjoyed this video. I really try to pack as much value into my content as possible so that you guys aren't just watching for entertainment, which I appreciate if you are, but also I just want you guys to get something from each video. So I hope this video really helped you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe. If you are not new and already subscribed, please make sure that notification bell is on, because that way you will know when I post a new video. Thank you to Poshmark for partnering me in this video. I really enjoyed working with you guys and I really love your app. I love making a little money on the side, and I'm just thrilled to pieces that you've made it so easy for me as a mom of 2 to just get rid of my clothes. You've helped me declutter my life and you've gotten me a little bit of cash in the process. I hope that you all have a wonderful fall day, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye guys.